Olivia, tell me something. What did you do last weekend?
I did went to the beach with my friends.
Stop right there.
What? Did I make a mistake already?
You made the most common past tense mistake in English.
Already? I didn't even finish my sentence.
Don't worry. Every English learner makes this mistake, even advanced ones.
So what should I have said?
I went to the beach, not I did went.
But why? Went is already past tense, right?
Exactly. And that is exactly what we are fixing today. Was, did, and had. 3 past tense bosses, 3 different jobs, 0 confusion after this lesson.
I need this so badly. Every time I speak in the past, I just guess.
The guessing ends today. Welcome to Ace English Daily. Real English, real logic, real confidence. And hey, if you feel like Olivia right now, if you guess every time you speak in the past, subscribe right now. Join our learning family. New lesson every single day.
Subscribe. You will not regret it. I promise.
Okay, Olivia, let's meet the first boss. Did.
Did. Okay. What is his job?
Did is only for actions, things you do. Run, eat, study, watch, go.
So did is the action boss.
Exactly. And here is the most important rule. When did is in the sentence, the verb after it stays simple, no past tense.
What do you mean simple?
Did you went? Wrong. Did you go? Correct.
Oh, go, not went, because did is already the boss.
Precisely. Did does the past tense work. The verb just relaxes.
The verb is on vacation.
Exactly, on vacation. Now repeat after me. Did you go?
Did you go? Did you go?
Did you watch?
Did you watch? Did you watch?
Did you eat?
Did you eat? Did you eat?
Did you study?
Did you study? Did you study? The verb always stays simple.
Perfect. Now for the negative, we say didn't, and the same rule applies.
The verb stays simple after didn't too?
Always. I didn't go, not I didn't went.
I didn't go. I didn't go. The ed disappears.
The boss didn't scared the ed away.
That is the funniest grammar rule I have ever heard.
But you will never forget it. Try one. Tell me you didn't watch TV last night. But you will never forget it. Try one. Tell me you didn't watch TV last night.
I didn't watch TV last night.
Perfect. And short answers with did?
Yes, I did. No, I didn't.
Exactly right. Clean, simple, natural.
Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. I love how short that is.
That is real American English. Short and confident. Let's practice did in a real conversation. I will be your friend. Ready?
Ready?
Hey, Olivia, did you see the game last night?
No, I didn't. Did you watch it?
Yes, I did. It was amazing. Did you at least hear about it?
I didn't hear anything. I went to bed early.
Perfect. 4 uses of did and 1 natural conversation.
And I didn't even think about it. It just came out.
That is fluency. Let's move to the next boss. Quick question for you watching right now. Write in the comments, did you ever make the did you went mistake? Tell us honestly. We read every single comment.
Be honest. We all made this mistake. Drop it in the comments right now.
Okay, Olivia, forget did for a moment. Meet the second boss, was and were.
Are these for actions too?
No, never for actions. Was and were are only for descriptions, feelings, and locations.
So no running, no eating, no doing?
Exactly. Just states of being. I was happy. The coffee was hot. We were at the park.
Oh, so was and were describe how something is or where something is in the past.
Perfect understanding. Now the rule. Was is for I, he, she, it. Were is for you, we, they.
I was tired. She was late. They were happy.
Repeat after me. I was tired.
I was tired. I was tired.
She was excited.
She was excited. She was excited.
They were at home.
They were at home. They were at home.
We were late.
We were late. We were late. Was for one person, were for groups.
Perfect. Now the negative. Very simple. We say wasn't or weren't. Never didn't with descriptions.
Wait, so I can never say I didn't was tired?
Never. That is a grammar crime.
A grammar crime. Okay, I wasn't tired, not I didn't was tired.
Exactly. Try one. Tell me the party wasn't boring.
The party wasn't boring. The party wasn't boring.
And the people?
The people weren't boring either.
Excellent. You are choosing the right boss automatically now. Real conversation time. This time about a vacation. Ready?
I love vacation conversations.
Hey, how was your trip to Paris?
It was absolutely amazing. The weather was perfect.
Were the people friendly?
They were so friendly. The restaurants were incredible too.
Was the hotel comfortable?
It wasn't cheap, but it was worth every penny.
Beautiful. Every single was and were used perfectly.
And I didn't use did once because there were no actions.
You are thinking like a grammar boss yourself now. Ready for the third and final boss?
Yes! What is had's job?
Had has two jobs. First, possession, owning something in the past.
Like, I had a dog when I was young?
Exactly. Second job, and this one is special, had is for something that happened before another past event.
Before another past event? Can you show me?
I had eaten breakfast before I went to work.
Oh, the eating happened first before going to work, so eating gets had.
Exactly. The earlier past always gets had. It's like time travel.
Had is the time travel boss.
Now repeat. I had finished my homework.
I had finished my homework. I had finished my homework.
She had left before I arrived.
She had left before I arrived. She had left before I arrived.
They had eaten before the movie.
They had eaten before the movie. They had eaten before the movie. Had never changes.
Correct. I had, she had, they had. Always had. Very fair, boss.
And the negative?
Hadn't. I hadn't seen that movie before.
I hadn't seen that movie. I hadn't seen that movie. So simple.
One more thing. The danger zone.
The danger zone?
Never mix the bosses. Never say, did she was. Never say, did you had. One boss per sentence. Always.
One boss per sentence. Got it. That is the golden rule.
That is the rule. Actions get did. Descriptions get was, were. Earlier past gets had.
3 bosses, 3 boxes. Never mix them.
Final scenario. All 3 bosses together. A real weekend story. I start.
Let's go.
Was your weekend good?
It was fantastic. I went to visit my grandmother.
Did you drive there?
No, I didn't. I took the train, but I had almost missed it.
Really? What happened?
I had forgotten my ticket at home. I had to run back and get it.
Was the train ride long?
It wasn't too long, about 2 hours. The scenery was beautiful.
Did you eat on the train?
I did. I had packed some sandwiches before I left.
Smiling. Was your grandmother happy to see you?
She was overjoyed. We hadn't seen each other in months.
Back to teacher, smiling. Incredible, Olivia. Did, was, weren't, had, all 3 bosses working perfectly together.
And it felt like a real conversation, not like grammar practice.
Smiling, because it is real conversation. That is Ace English Daily.
Now your turn. The challenge.
Rate 3 sentences in the comments right now.
Sentence 1. Use did. Sentence 2. Use was or were. Sentence 3. Use had.
Example. Did you eat breakfast today? I was so hungry this morning. I had forgotten to buy food yesterday.
We read every single comment. Every one. Show us what you learned today. One last time. The three bosses. Repeat after me. Did for actions.
Did for actions. Did for actions.
Did you go?
Did you go? Did you go?
I didn't watch.
I didn't watch. I didn't watch.
Was and were for descriptions and locations.
Was and were for descriptions and locations.
It was amazing.
It was amazing. It was amazing.
They weren't home.
They weren't home. They weren't home.
Had for possession and earlier past.
Had for possession and earlier past.
I had finished before she called.
I had finished before she called. I had finished before she called.
And the golden rule.
One boss per sentence. Never mix them.
You are a grammar boss yourself now, Olivia.
I really am. No more guessing, just choosing.
Actions get did, states get was. Earlier past gets had.
3 bosses, 3 boxes, 0 confusion.
You just mastered the 3 most confusing past tense words in English. Did, was, had. You are not guessing anymore. You are choosing with logic.
I came into this lesson panicking, and now I feel completely confident.
That is the power of understanding the why, not just memorizing rules.
Ace English Daily, every single day. Real English, real logic, real confidence.
If this lesson helped you today, and I know it did, please like this video right now. It helps more people find us.
And subscribe. Hit that notification bell. New lesson every single day. You do not want to miss tomorrow.
We will see you in the next one. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember,
No more guessing, only choosing. Bye, everyone.
take care. See you tomorrow.